Want to host a baby shower that feels light, magical, and full of beauty? A butterfly baby shower brings fluttering charm with delicate wings, pastel hues, and garden vibes. From decor to desserts, butterflies symbolize growth and transformation, perfect for celebrating new life. Let's explore ideas to create a butterfly-inspired celebration everyone will adore. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What invitations match a butterfly theme? Select invites with watercolor wings, floral borders, or 3D cutouts. Wording like "a little butterfly's on the way" ties the theme into the first impression. Invites that flutter? Like this if your theme starts with the male. What food works for a butterfly shower? Serve pastel macarons, butterfly cookies, and fruit trays. Add cupcakes with edible wings or cakes topped with sugar butterflies for a magical treat table. Desserts delightful? Like this if your spread feels sweet as wings. What about outdoor butterfly showers? Host in a garden or backyard with butterfly banners, picnic tables, and hanging lanterns. Outdoor settings naturally enhance the whimsical theme. Outdoors perfect? Like this if nature lifts your celebration. What centerpieces fit the theme? Decorate tables with floral arrangements topped with butterfly picks. Add candles or lanterns to make the centerpiece feel soft, glowing, and whimsical. Tables blooming? Like this if your centerpieces flutter with charm. How do I style the dessert table? Use tiered stands with butterfly toppers, floral linens, and glowing lights. Highlight a butterfly cake as the centerpiece, surrounded by themed sweets. Table set to impress? Like this if your desserts feel enchanting. How do I keep the atmosphere elegant? Use soft lighting, pastel linens, and balanced decor. Keep butterflies as accents rather than overwhelming the space for a refined, magical feel. Elegance achieved? Like this if your shower feels graceful and bright. How do I incorporate florals into the theme? Butterflies pair perfectly with flowers. Use garlands, bouquets, or faux vines around the venue to create a magical garden-like setting. Florals flying high? Like this if blooms make your decor shine. How do I choose the theme colors? Go for soft pastels like lavender, blush, mint, and peach. Add metallics like gold or rose gold to make the butterfly theme feel elegant and modern. Color palette ready? Like this if your party feels dreamy and fresh. How do I create a butterfly backdrop? Use balloon garlands and pastel shades, add paper butterflies, and include a welcome baby sign. Perfect for photos and setting the mood for the shower. Backdrop flying high? Like this if your wall looks picture perfect. Can I add personalized details? Yes, include banners with baby's name, butterfly-shaped place cards, or custom signage. Personal touches make the celebration unique and memorable. Details with love, like this if your decor feels one of a kind. What's a fun favor idea? Give guests butterfly keychains, candles, or seed packets labeled "Watch Me Grow." Simple favors carry the theme and leave lasting memories. Favors that flutter? Like this if your gifts are thoughtful and sweet. Can I include butterfly games? Yes, play Butterfly Bingo, a wing decorating contest, or guessing games with butterfly jars. Fun activities keep guests smiling and engaged. Games with joy? Like this if your shower feels lively and fun. A butterfly baby shower is delicate, dreamy, and full of symbolism. With pastel colors, whimsical decor, and thoughtful details, it creates a celebration as beautiful as new beginnings. Let the wings of joy fill the room as you welcome baby in style. Inspired by these butterfly ideas? Like and check back for more creative party themes.